welcome to TJ Marine, the channel where I buy classic boats and restore them, give them a new lease on life. Finally finished with this Craft Reef Ranger. What I'll do is I'll go over the boat and show you some of the things that I've done, and then I'll let you know how much it cost as well, and then we'll get it out on the water and I'll show you how well it runs. It really goes like a champ. The boat had these really ugly old blue stickers on there that were worn out and they just look terrible, so I've replaced them with these black stickers. Looks pretty good. Cost me $790 to have the stickers applied, but it took me about 20 hours to remove the old stickers using a heat gun, camera wheel. It was a mission. I also put a new registration sticker on while I was at it. The clears have been done. I replaced the clears through a shipwright. He did the clears, he replaced the floor, he also put new floor covering over the new floor, and he did all that for about $2,000, so it's pretty fair. He checked the stringers and the transom while he was at it and they were all good. So yeah, the clears look pretty good. Especially compared to what was there. I'll get up inside and we'll have a quick look through there. So floor's been all done. This was painted on the gunnels here were painted with a ugly blue paint, so I had that covered with carpet. New seats. And new anchor light here. New LED lights here for fishing at night time. It's a pretty well usable boat now. It's got great lighting. The engine's really reliable and runs really well. Flooring is easy wash and nice new floor now. It's a good looking boat and really usable. So let's get it out on the water and see how she runs. It is a absolutely beautiful day out here on Brisbane waters. Just about to launch the cruise craft. Beautiful calm day, so let's get it out on the water and hopefully she runs well. Well, I've got the boat back at the house now. As you could see, it ran so awesome out on the water, so much power. And looks good too. It's really functional, good fishing boat. Hope you enjoyed watching me restore it. And subscribe if you want to check out the next project I've got. I've got to finally get my Scarab back from the mechanic soon. Got a 350 V8 in it. Sounds awesome and goes real well. So I'll make a video about that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you with the next project.